Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the heating element in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the 6 screws securing the rear access panel. The bottom screw doesn't need to be fully unthreaded. Set the panel aside. Note the orientation of the heating element power wires, sensor wire, and grounding wire, then disconnect them. Using a 10mm socket, unthread the mounting nut. Use a flathead screwdriver to help pry the old element free of the outer tub. Install the new heating element by inserting it into the slot in the outer tub, then push until it is fully seated. Thread and tighten the mounting nut. Connect the power wires, the sensor wire, and the grounding wire. Reinstall the rear access panel. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.